Hi, I'm Jill, and I'm the Financial Reporting Manager here at CoSPAS. I would like to share how CoSPAS CARE saltwater system is used, operated, and how easy it is to clean. CoSPAS CARE saltwater system produces a form of chlorine by electrolysis of salt in order to sanitize your spa water. After the salt is converted to chlorine and the bacteria is killed, the chlorine converts back to salt, and this process is ongoing. The salt concentration used is very low, less than that in a human tear. Chlorine output can be easily adjusted by the timer on the power supply unit. The chlorine level in your spa can be checked by using a standard chlorine test kit. Once your spa is powered up, you will see the three LED lights and the display will be on for approximately 3 seconds while the CoSPAS CARE saltwater system unit self-tests. After that, all lights will be off and the screen will be flashing. Once you have added the recommended amount of salt, you have to refer to the chart for that, the green LED light will display solid green and the display will show the operation hours per day. If your salt levels are too low, the yellow LED light will be on and you will need to add more salt until the green LED light is on. Never add salt directly to the skimmer or directly around the cell as it may damage it. If the red LED light is on, this is indicating you have too much salt in your water and you will need to remove water from your spa and add fresh water to reduce the salt levels. The chlorine output is controlled by the adjustment of the timer of the power supply. The timer regulates the hours per day of the amount of on time the system requires to maintain the chlorine residuals as required. The output is only regulated according to the chlorine timer. It operates independently from your filter pump runtime. After everything is set up, the display will show you a default screen with the current hours of operation per day. You may change this setting anytime by holding down for 3 seconds straight. The display will flash indicating it is now ready for time setting changes. In order to determine the proper chlorine timer setting for your spa, measure the free chlorine level every day. Adjust the timer accordingly to achieve 3 to 5 ppm of free chlorine. It is advised to check the chlorine level at least daily to make sure the hot tub is properly sanitized. This will need to be adjusted depending on use and bather load. Now that you know how it is operated, I would like to talk about the water chemistry you have to maintain with CoSPAS CARE saltwater system. CoSPAS CARE saltwater system is designed to automatically generate the chlorine for your hot tub. It is very important to note that chlorine is just one component of your hot tub water chemistry. Please make sure your hot tub water meets the optimum chemistry levels as you can see on the screen and can also read in the owner's manual. The best salt is food quality granulated salt, a 99.9% pure salt or solar salt. Do not use rock salt, iodized salt, or salt with anti-caking additives. Do not use salt with more than 1% yellow prussiate of soda. The optimum salt level is between 2000 to 2500 ppm. Use the chart on the screen and an owner's manual to determine the amount of salt for your spa. Cyanuric acid, also known as stabilizer or conditioner that prevents rapid breakdown of chlorine by direct sunlight. Maintain cyanuric acid concentrations between 50 to 80 ppm by diluting with fresh water. Regulations may exist regarding use of cyanuric acid in hot tubs. Please consult with your hot tub professional. The recommended level of stabilizers is specified in the chart here and an owner's manual if your hot tub is outside and not covered. Maintaining high salt and chlorine levels above recommended range can contribute to corrosion of hot tub equipment. It is advised that you monitor the chlorine levels properly. I'm going to discuss the maintenance of CoSPAS CARE saltwater system and tell you how amazingly easy it is to clean. It has a feature which is the reverse polarity function. It is designed to automatically clean the cell plates, maximizing the cell's ability to manufacture chlorine. The cell should be inspected every 3 months. Unplug the CoSPAS CARE saltwater system from the GFCI socket. Inspect the cell for scaling, any white sugar-like deposit. If scaling exists, the cell should be cleaned. To clean the cell, make sure the power supply is not plugged into the socket. A large cup should be used. Fill the cup with enough white vinegar to submerge the entire cell. Place the entire cell into the cup for 20 minutes. Remove the cell and make sure all scaling is gone. If the scaling remains, repeat the whole process. After the scale is removed, rinse the cell with fresh water. Don't forget to read the important safety instructions in your hot tub manual for the CoSPAS CARE saltwater system. And I highly suggest you to follow all the necessary instructions steps as mentioned. You can also pause the video and see them on your screen right now.